Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a pen out of clay, which is completely crazy, but let's get into it. What you need is some clay, whatever color you guys want. Maybe you could only use one color, completely rich, a pen, and those decorating thing that comes with the clay. If you don't have them, completely okay. Wait here. Sorry, I stopped the video, but I just wanted to say something. My sister's birthday is after tomorrow. Wish her a great birthday and a comment. Her channel is also gonna be in my description box and in the first comment. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Continue. So let's start. So first, we're gonna get the thing inside of the pen. If you could see this ink. And there we go. This is all what you need, and you may also actually if you have a pen that contains this part alone, then it's okay, but if you don't, you could actually make it with clay. So we're gonna cover this all in clay. So I'm gonna cover it all with purple clay. So I shaped it now. If you could see, now it's kind of a pen which you could hold. I don't know if you could dry it. So I think all the pens have this part to control and hold the pen tight. So I'm gonna do this part with the pink. I'm gonna add just this part tight around the pen, if you could see. Which I think is holding the pen great. I'm gonna get a paper now and then try typing. It's still not dried, so it's not so good at holding. Sorry, writing. Well, I think it's because, see, it's like cool when it's still not so dried. So I think that's gonna be nice when it's dried. So we're gonna wait for it to dry. But for now, until it's dried, design some flowers on it so it looks more nicer, and come back to you guys. Okay, yo people, so I actually did it. I made it with those polka dots, if you could see, and I also made a little something extra. I did not show it in the video. I added this. My sister said that actually it's good to add this because without it, it's gonna be some kind of bad. Create the cover for it. Of course, my sister Jenna is gonna be better because she's good at craft and stuff. Mine is gonna be just as bad, as you could see. So I just realized this thing was up of the thing, so I could use this as actually a cover for it, and I'm gonna just make it a little bit with the clay to interact with the clay, and the clay could hold it tight. So what I'm gonna do is, as follows. I'm gonna get this, cover it in whatever color you like, which is I'm actually gonna pick it as purple because I don't want to actually to use like much colors. I'm just gonna use it as this color. I'm gonna get this and cover it that nothing shows that this once was purple. I'm gonna just cover. Guys, so if you don't have this thing, you could actually create it and do it with your own self. I'm gonna also do this as another thing with the pink color. I'm just gonna show you guys now. So I'm gonna have it like this, feel like a square. You can see it's a square now, kind of a square. You could then get something like this and then just, make it as a just be creative, you guys. There. And thus, whenever you wanna, you're just gonna get it out at any time. Because I said for you, I cannot put it without it actually drying out. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna make this one as a one with clay for you guys as an example. And I don't know if I'm gonna use the other one or use this one because I think this one is even more better. But so there we go. We have both. We have the purple and the pink and the pencil and the pen. Wait for them to dry. Which I'm gonna check if clay after it dries so much like as rock. I'll be back to you after it dries.
To 6 days later.
So I know this is a long time, but finally I'm getting it out. Woohoo. There we go. It's a pen, so it's not as a clay. If you could see, nothing can happen to it. Literally, if you squished it, nothing is gonna happen because it's already dried. But there's something I have to say. I lost the caps of it, so bad thing. So I made another ones, which after by like 2 days, so maybe they won't be the same, but I think they're still also dry, that they can't be squished. So let's check this out. So I think this is a good thing. It gets inside and goes outside, and it doesn't stick anymore. And this one, so this is the one I made another cap. It's a black one, and this is with no cap. And I think both of them are the same, but this doesn't actually stay still. The one with the cap doesn't stay still. This one actually does. So I want to say something. When you leave it to dry, it loses the ink, so mostly it's gonna be hard for me to write with it, but I'm gonna be trying. So let me get a paper and I'm gonna write. So let's just try writing with this. I'm gonna write my name. I think it works, and it's also so comfortable writing, actually. It just comes with you and it's so comfortable. The thing that is also bad, I just want to state, is that this goes off when you're writing. It kind of slips, that you feel uncomfortable, insecure, but other than that, it's completely okay. So this is my review. This is what I made, and I think you guys should also make it. So if you guys have a clay, have a pen that you don't use, don't try it. And this was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna see you in my next video, and bye.